Hello and welcome to another episode. Today I'll be showing you how to make some alkaline vegan tahini butter cups, and it requires no cooking whatsoever. Let's get started. This recipe was inspired by this Instagrammer. Check her out. Add about 2 cups of raw tahini to a large bowl. This is highly optional, but it'll make a huge difference in how this recipe turns out. Add 1.5 tablespoons of coconut aminos. Next, add 4 tablespoons of date syrup. Add 1 cup of coconut oil. For sweetness, add half a cup of agave nectar and feel free to adjust as needed. Now we're just going to use a hand mixer to mix everything together. You can also use a spatula or whisk. Check this out. That's the consistency you want. Add 2 tablespoons of date sugar. This is the best brand I've come across, and I'll leave a link in the description box below. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Feel free to adjust this as needed. Finally, mix it and give it a taste to make sure everything is just right. Let's move on to the next ingredient. This is from last week's recipe. If you haven't seen it, you're missing. Click on the link above to watch it. Chop half a cup of candied walnuts. Add your chopped candied walnuts and fold them in. Next, we're going to need a 12-count muffin pan and some liners. These muffin liners are very fragile, so what we're going to have to do is double them up. Now they should be able to hold our mixture without any problems. Place your muffin liners into the muffin pan. I like to use an ice cream scoop to do this, but you can also use a spoon. Add the mix to the muffin liners until each one is filled halfway up. Yes, I am aware that alkaline vegans don't use non-stick pans. I don't have a stainless steel pan. You can fill up your muffin liners if you don't intend to add anything else. Now we're going to freeze them for 10 to 15 minutes or until they're hard. After about 10 to 15 minutes, they should be hard to the touch. I'm going to be pouring some date syrup over 2 of them just to show you how they come out. Alkaline vegans don't eat chocolate, so I figured date syrup would be the next best substitute. At this stage, you should know the flavor profile of the mix, so you can go crazy by adding anything else you think will go with it. Then top it off with the rest of the mix. After topping it off, we're going to freeze it for another 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. We're all set. know that unlike chocolate, date syrup doesn't freeze. So when you take a bite, it's gonna flow down your lips and make you look all sexy and stuff. These buttercups melt very quickly, so you don't want to bring them out until you're ready to eat them. Anyway, that's it for today. Please don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all next week.